Hey everyone, my name's Eman. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of acne, whether you have pimples, any type of breakouts. Today's video I'm going to show you guys some amazing ways that really work to help you get clear skin. For the last couple months, my skin has completely taken a really bad turn because of so many reasons: stress, lifestyle, anxiety from everything that's been going on, and it all just came out in my skin. I was having a ton of breakouts. What you guys are seeing right now is actually my skin at its best in a long time. It was so much worse a few weeks ago, and I had to really just kind of focus in on how to get it back on track. And I was testing out and trying all these different things. I've used some products that were just amazing, and I know that they're gonna help you guys. That's why I wanted to share them today. Just because you have acne and breakouts, it doesn't mean you have to live with it. There are things you can do to help treat them, and that really works. So let's get right into it. The first product that I want to show you guys today is from SKINCEUTICALS. This is their clarifying exfoliating cleanser. This is a cleanser that's made specifically for acne prone skin. It has salicylic acid in it, which is one of the most important ingredients when it comes to treating acne, because it kind of just dries up your acne and eventually makes the acne go away. So it helps refine texture, brighten your skin, and clear acne blemishes. This is not necessarily a cleanser you need to use every single day, but you can use it 2-3 times a week and it will definitely help clear your skin. The next product is the CAUDALIE VINOPURE Purifying Toner. I don't usually use toners on a regular basis as part of my skincare routine, but I started using this one recently because I knew that this one was more for acne prone skin. This also has salicylic acid in it, which you guys are going to see is kind of a key ingredient for treating acne. So this is full of purifying essential oils, exfoliating salicylic acid, and soothing grape water. Put a little bit of this on a cotton pad and sweep it all over your face after you cleanse. This really helps the salicylic acid just sink into your pores. And if you really focus on those areas where you have a lot of breakouts, again, it's just going to dry that area out and really help treat acne. The one thing I will say, you guys, is you can either try one of these products, but what I found really worked is I was using a combination of these things. I wasn't just using one thing. So I was using the cleanser, the toner, and then by the end of it, that's when I really started to see my skin clear up. So this toner is an amazing extra step if you don't use a toner in your skincare routine. This is a great thing to start adding because it's going to help clear your skin overnight. Like, you will actually see a difference overnight. That's how fast I noticed this work. And then also, because it is a toner, the other products I'm going to mention right now, you put on after it, and it helps absorb the other products better into your skin. Now, I know that a lot of these products that I'm mentioning are a little bit on the pricier side. Sometimes acne treatments can be a little bit more expensive. They are worth it. It is your face, it's your skin, it's worth the investment. But I will say this, if you are only going to get one product from everything that I'm mentioning today, it should be this one. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. I think this is probably like the 10th time I've talked about these peels in one of my skincare videos. I've been using these peels for years, usually when my skin is really acting up, and every single time this does the trick. This is a peel that you can use daily, and peels help get rid of that first few layers of your skin. It's gentle enough so that you can use it every day. When you're exfoliating all of those dead skin cells off your skin, that's how you get rid of acne, all that bacteria, all that buildup, and then beautiful clear skin comes out from underneath. That's basically how these peels work, and they come in two sections. So the first section is to exfoliate and smooth, and then the second section is the anti-aging neutralizer. You just take the peel pad and swipe it all over your face, going over it a few times until the pad is almost dry. And I like to just really focus on those areas where I have all the breakouts. This is another one of those products where you use it one time and you wake up the next morning and you notice a difference. Once a day only. You could use it daily, AM or PM. I personally like to use it at nighttime because then I'm not putting any makeup on after. So I use it at nighttime, I let it do its trick, and then I usually wake up the next morning and I see an instant difference in my breakout. My skin looks clearer, and when you use it consistently, it will really, really make a difference in your skin. Next is the Dermalogica Age Bright Clearing Serum. This is a newer product that I just started to use recently, but I absolutely love it because it's a serum for acne, which I've never used before. So just to give you guys a little bit of like rundown on the order: cleanser, toner, peel, and then the serum. The serum is going to be the last thing from all of these. This is an active clearing serum. So you're going to apply a very thin layer all over your face. And I like to, again, focus on the areas where I have the breakouts. And this just sinks into your skin and just does magic. What's super special about this, that it's kind of a two-in-one. So it not only treats the acne that you have, it also helps prevent future acne. So this is something that I'm kind of been obsessing over, and I've been using it every single day for almost a month, and I've seen a huge difference in my skin from it. All right, guys, this is the last item. I've tried so many different spot treatments when it comes to acne. I don't really believe in spot treatments except for this one. This is an amazing product that I love to use specifically as a spot treatment. This is the Clinique Acne Solution Clinical Clearing Gel. So you guys are going to see that one of the main ingredients here as well is salicylic acid. This can be used in two ways. You can use it all over your face as well, kind of like the Dermalogica serum, but I personally don't love using it like that because it's really strong. Like, it dries out your skin. So I instead really love just putting a little bit on a Q-tip and using it more as a spot treatment to target those specific pimples. So it really dries out those like larger pimples that are red and inflamed and irritated. And again, I'll do this at nighttime at the end of my skincare routine, and then I usually wake up the next day and a lot of that inflammation and that redness has gone down. So it just kind of really dries up the pimple and just makes it look smaller quicker. So this is my favorite for a spot treatment. And like I said, you guys, when you do a combination of these products is when you really see the difference in your skin. My skin looks so much better than it did a few weeks ago. I can't even tell you, and I just feel relieved because it was really like, you know, it makes you self-conscious. Like, nobody wants acne all over their face. So these products work. I hope that you guys get a chance to try them out. If you have any questions at all, leave them for me in the comments. I will try my best to answer them. I know that it's been a while since I've posted a video here on YouTube, but there's a reason for that. I don't want to get into this video because it has nothing to do with acne or skincare or anything. But if you want to know what's going on or what's been going on, you could always check out my Instagram because I talk a lot more about personal stuff on my Instagram. So it's at Eman, and you can kind of get an idea of what's been going on. But good news is I'm back. And yeah, it was a little bit of a timeout, but I'm back now. So thank you for being patient. If you are suffering with acne, try out these products. I guarantee you guys are going to see some amazing results. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video coming up this weekend. Bye.